Hey everyone, so here I have a pressure gauge on a Pentair filter, which is all yellow and like you can't see it. It still works. You can see how it's showing me a value there, and I'm actually I just lowered the pump, so you can see that the pressure is going down. So it still works, but the problem is that it's hard to see. So I saw online that you can basically put WD-40 and rub it a little bit, and it should totally clean it up. So let's see if that's true. So let's spray some on here. And then now, let's try rubbing it. And I mean, it's clearly, pun intended, better. So let's rub it some more. And yeah, I mean, it's not perfect. I can probably rub it some more and it'll get better and better. But at least I can read it now. So since it works, I have no other reason really to change it. So there it is. I think you can also use like toothpaste and other stuff to make it even better, but yeah, I'm totally happy with that. So it looks way better. It's still legible, and I guess if it really breaks in the future, then I'll replace it, but for now, I'm good. So do a little more here. Yeah, not bad. All right, there you have it. Thanks. Bye.